Green has supported this project by working with Sunbelt Energy Solutions to look at the spec of the tower cranes. So each of these tower cranes had a 400 amp inrush current, and we looked at that and determined that using our battery alongside the 300 kVA generator would be enough to support the maximum load that was requested. But we could look at doing it in a more sustainable way where the battery delivered the load most of the time, only asking for the generator for charge cycles.
So by Sunbelt Power employing the greener battery technology to enable us to downsize the generator from what would have traditionally been required to be an 800 kVA, you've been able to downsize it to a 300 kVA, effectively displacing 500 kVA's worth of unnecessary energy. The benefits of that has been significantly less CO2, less fuel usage, and a lot less idle time on a generator, giving the customer a significantly quieter, more efficient power package on site.
Sustainability at Careys is important because we want to reduce our impacts both on the environment and on the communities we work in. So part of our sustainability strategy is to reduce our carbon emissions. We've committed to a reduction of 50% by 2030 against our 2019 baseline. 95% of our emissions, our scope 1 and 2 emissions at Careys, is from diesel, so any opportunity we have that can help us reduce that is something that we look to implement on site.
So this hybrid power system has made a huge difference to us. We've reduced the size of our generators, we've reduced the number of generators, and ultimately less fuel, less emissions. It was a great decision.
So this collaboration is important for driving sustainability in the construction industry because the status quo in construction at the moment is still a diesel generator. And whilst we do require diesel generators in off-grid scenarios to create the energy, what we've proven with this is that Greener alongside Sunbelt can help customers like Careys significantly reduce emissions on construction sites.